Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very special video for you guys. I'm going to be using an emulsifier that I have never used before. This emulsifier was sent to me by my supplier, and the name of this emulsifier is Betylene 0710. It is an anionic emulsifier. It says that it serves as an excellent anionic emulsifier that is used in oil and water emulsion system. It forms a high stable emulsion and is compatible with a wide range of ingredients, which is something that I like. So I'm going to be using this emulsifier for the first time on camera for you guys to see. I'm using it with my regular formula. So if you like to see how this goes, please keep on watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Ale Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based skincare influencer, DIY skincare specialist, and I create weekly videos on skincare, skin talks, skin preps, whatever you want to call it, whatever it has to do with your skin, that's what I do. So if you're new here, please join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys rock. So today I'm going to be using an emulsifier that I've never used before. This emulsifier was sent to me by my supplier, and I just thought, let me use it on camera for the first time so you guys can see the process and let's just figure it out together. I have never used it before, like I said, so we're going to be learning about it as we go. Now, it is said that this emulsifier will help to create a white, creamy and shiny look, so we're going to be looking out for that. And it is used in a wide range of ingredients and pH, so let's look out for that. So the first thing we're going to be needing is our beakers, of course, our measuring scale, and then we need water. Now I'm using my regular base formula, my whitening base formula. So all I did is substitute the main emulsifier for this Betylene 0710. So we'll just see how that works. I've heard that it gives a very creamy and very thick consistency, like it gives body to your base. So we're going to be looking out for that as well. So as usual, I'm using water in my phase A, that's my water phase, and then I'm also using glycerin, which is a humectant that I am going to use to hydrate my hyaluronic acid and my gum. For this I'm using Goa gum, so I'm hydrating both of them together, and this will just help to reduce the amount of clumpiness that we'll get in our formula. Now, like if you're following me, if you've been following my recipes or my videos, you know that this process is called slurry. So when you mix your hyaluronic acid or your xanthan gum to hydrate it, it's called a slurry. And next I am going to be adding my dimethyl isoborbate. Now this ingredient is a very unique ingredient that I like to use. It is basically a stabilizer, it is a solvent, and it helps to deliver active ingredients into the skin for a significantly better penetration and performance. So I'm using it here for all of that benefit. I'm also using dimethicone. Dimethicone is a gentle, effective moisturizing ingredient, and you can use it in both body cream and face creams. It helps to provide a long-lasting skin smoothing benefit and is ideal for areas prone to roughness, dry skin such as knees, elbows, hands and feet. And it can also help with certain skin conditions like eczema as well. But remember that if you're using dimethicone in your product, you cannot tag your product as organic, okay? So just have that in mind. So after that, our water phase is ready. We're going on to our oil phase and we're adding shea butter. For our oil phase, we're also using cetyl alcohol, which helps to prevent dryness, roughness and scaly skin. And it's also an emollient, which softens the skin and moisturizes the skin, and also can decrease itching and flaking on your skin. So if you're prone to dry skin, this is for you. We're also going to be using glyceryl monostrate, which is a co-emulsifier. It is also a thickener. It is an emollient. It helps to moisturize the skin. We're also using cetyl alcohol. This also helps to soften the skin, and it is also used as a thickener and a stabilizer in your skincare product. Now we are using our Betylene 0710, which is our star ingredient here, because this is the first time I'm using it. I'm going to see how it reacts with other ingredients and if it is stable and it does exactly what it says it does. Now you can go ahead and add any of your oils that you want. Here I am using almond oil, sweet almond oil, and then I also went ahead to add my cocoa butter. You can decide to use any hard butters or hard oils. For me, I'm using shea butter and cocoa butter as my hard oil, and my sweet almond oil as my liquid oil. Now the oil and water phase is ready. I am going to pop that on the double boiler so that it will dissolve, and then we can go ahead. Now here, these are my double boiling system. Please, you don't have to use this. You can use the double boiling method where you put hot water and you stick your bowls in it, but this way is easier for me. So while that is heating up, I am going to add my EDTA. This is just to help stabilize or chelate my water. What this basically means is that EDTA is a chelating agent. It helps to remove metal ions that can affect the stability or appearance of a cosmetic product, and it is used to counter the hardness of water in other products like rinse off products and all. But I'm using it here as a chelator for this water to remove any form of metal that can cause our product to be unstable. Now I want to go ahead and give that a burst to make sure that everything is dissolved properly before I go on to add my water. No, to go on to add my oil. Now that my oil is dissolved, everything is dissolved, I'm going to create my emulsion. And like I said, the emulsifier that I'm using here is an oil and water emulsifier. So I'm going to add my oil into my water so the oil can be suspended in the water. This topic is a very, very broad topic, so if you want me to talk about it more, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you would want me to talk about your oil and water emulsions and how it works and all of that jazz. Just let me know in the comment section. So going on, I'm going to, because I don't know how this product works, I'm trying to be very, very careful. So for our thickeners and our hyaluronic acid, I am pouring some of the cream into the product, into the thickeners, so that I would see if the product stays stable. And so far so good. The product is looking okay, but this is just, you don't need to do this. You can just go ahead and pour it into the full batch, but I'm just being extra careful, being that this is a product that I have not used before. I'm sorry that this video is going to be a very chatty video, so please, for those of you who always come and say you talk too much, please know that this video is going to be very chatty because I'm using a product here for the first time, so I have to be able to explain what I am seeing and all of that. So the first thing I noticed immediately I poured the thickener into the product, it just gives that very beautiful creaminess, that you get when you're using either Montanov, or you're using Olive M1000, or you are using Lotion Pro. Although Lotion Pro doesn't give a thick consistency, but it just gives that feel. So I will basically substitute this. What I substituted with this in my formula is Montanov. So basically, it gives the same, almost the same feel. But what I noticed is, of course, Montanov is a more luxurious emulsifier, so that has this very velvety, creamy, consistency. This also gives a very beautiful consistency, but I will still pick my Montanov over it. But if you're looking for something that you can substitute Montanov with, this is a good product. The Betylene 0710 is a self emulsifier, so it doesn't need any co emulsifiers, but I just added it in my already existing formula just to see the difference that it will make. And so far so good. I am loving it so far. So if you're definitely looking for something new, something that is, you know that can substitute for your Montanov or your other emulsifiers, this is a good one. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my um, dimethyl isobarbate and my dimethyl into the formula as my cool down phase. And now this product has cooled down to about 40 degrees. So I'm going to add my um, other ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and give that a bust just to make sure all the things that I've added so far emulsifies properly. And as you can see, as the product gets cooler, the thickness is more prominent. You're seeing that it is thickening up very beautifully. Like, it is so creamy and milky. It gives a very white, creamy consistency or creamy look or creamy feel. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can't complain. I don't have any complaints so far. I also noticed that it is kind of similar to Polar Wax as well. So if you have used Polar Wax, this has some nice similarities with Polar Wax as well. It gives a nice feel and nice body to your cream or your lotion. So yeah, this is working out for me so far so good for a product that I haven't used before. Like I said, I haven't used this emulsifier at all. I received it and I thought I should do this video with you guys so you guys can see that you can use other emulsifiers as well. Now, because this is a whitening base, I am putting in my raw whitening oil. Now, this oil can be added to your soaps. If you're looking for a soap that will give you instant, that will give you a very fast action whitening effect, this raw oil is a good one. If you're looking for a product that will give you a whitening result, you can add this raw whitening oil into your creams, and then it will give you a beautiful, flawless white tone. um I'm again trying to be careful, so I'm mixing it on the other side. And this raw whitening oil has a way that it works, so I don't like to add it straight into the product. I like to cool it down completely by force. I'm forcing the cool down phase so that it will be easy for me to incorporate it into my cream. So this is how you use it. I'm going to do maybe a separate video on how you can use the whitening raw oil. So if you want to get the whitening raw oil, reach out to us. We have it available for you guys. So far this is what the product is looking like. If you're seeing any clumpiness in the product, know that some part of the cream is cooling faster than the other. So definitely the parts that have cooled down completely will have that very thick chunks. And also the thickeners have mixed and they are, giving you some chunks, but definitely those will clear out in a bit, so you don't have to worry about it. So far, as you can see, this is what the cream is looking like. It is super beautiful. In fact, I'm loving this emulsifier. I know that Montanov and Olive M are very expensive emulsifiers. So if you're looking for a more cheaper alternative, not very cheap, but it's cheap compared to those products, this is a very good alternative to use, and it is a very stable product. You can use it in different skincare products as well. Now I am adding in the mixture that I made earlier with the whitening raw oil. I popped it into the freezer to bring it to a cool down by force, and this will help, stabilize the product. So here I'm adding it into the bowl or into the cream, and then I'll go ahead and mix that up as well. Now, if you haven't subscribed all this time, please make sure you subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put a new video up. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave your questions in the comment section. I will be very, very happy to answer them for you. If you would like to take any of our trainings, you want to buy our ebook, you want to buy our skincare products, or you just generally want to make inquiry about purchasing any of the above mentioned, please use the WhatsApp link in the description bar to reach us directly. You can see how beautiful this cream is. Like, I'm amazed. I'm in love with this emulsifier. And thank you so much to my supplier for sending me this product. If you want to get it, reach out to me and I will, give you the prices. Now I am adding my cool down face ingredients, which are my vitamin E and my Jamal Plus preservative. I like to use Jamal Plus preservative because it's easy to use and it is easy to source as well. So go ahead, give that a thorough mix. This is me. I have just shown you how to make nice base, whitening base that you can sell for to your customers to pro mix. I'm also going to show you in the future how I used it to pro mix, or what it looks like when I have pro mixed it with into a whitening cream. Now, please, if I am talking anyhow, I'm slurring a bit, please may know that I am sleepy and I took a drug that will help me sleep because these days I haven't been sleeping very, very well. So here is our finished product. I am going to store it after, of course, checking the pH. You want to make sure that the pH of this product is around 6. You don't want it anything below 5.5, but 6 is the very good range to keep your product. I am storing it in this container and then I can reach out to it to pro mix whenever I want to pro mix. I'm going to show you what it looks like after pro mixing it into a super mega toner for skin whitening. So now I'm going to try the product on my hands just to show you guys how beautifully it blends in. It doesn't leave a white cast at all, and it's so moisturizing. I just love the product, and by the time I used the product the next day, the feel was even better. I would tell you to definitely put this cream on your body when your body is still damp, not wet but damp. So here, this is what it looks like. It gives a beautiful shiny creamy product like it says, and it is something that I'll definitely reach out for to use it more often. So yeah, if you like to get this product, reach out to me and I will give you the product pricing in retail and wholesale as well. Now, this is after I have pro mixed this into a skin whitening product. This product will give you up to 6 shades lighter if you use it with our new soap that we're going to launch in a few days. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed up till now, please take this time to subscribe down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and make sure you share this video for others to see. Again, if you would like to take any of our classes, please click the link in the description bar to take you to our WhatsApp. Now, make sure you watch any of these videos that have popped up on the screen, and make sure you click to follow us if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.